Au ice cream maker is produced by the modern technology example of European standard ISO 9001 by 2015. Au HAK 323 has a compact and elegant design with a shiny stainless steel surface and flexible wheels. The machine utilizes the smart display in Vietnamese and English. It integrates many advantages such as preservation of materials, customized foam degree of ice cream, and so on. HAK 323 can produce ice cream quickly in only 5 minutes, making sure it's fresh, fluffy, and ice-free. The piston compressor, which is imported from Slovak, has the super-fast raising function and high efficiency. It is widely used in many famous restaurants, coffee chains, hotels such as FLC Luxury Resort Quy Nhon, King BBQ restaurants, Huong Sen buffet restaurants, and more. Au Group is the top brand of supplying ice cream makers, with more than 8 years of development in the market, having more than 200 showrooms and salepoints on the nationwide.